Got turn back now. I don't understand. You come hospital. You say you no feel strong. Come turn back. Make I give you injection. You stand there look me. You won't beat me. Not in my office. You come. I enter your office. I don't
understand.
What do you not understand?
I don't understand now.
Hey. See me see wahala. Person go there in house go to the people. You wakaje jelly enter my office. Yes, you said your body no you know trust your body. Your body no tell you true. Say you get as something they take do you. I'm saying wahala lo.
Who is that?
Moto go book pi. Turn back, make I do. I help other patients who I want to take care of. What do you think I'm for the Imo hospital? Turn the big turn.
Turn what now? Turn what exactly?
Turn your boom boom.
Wait. What is this?
Now what you tell me what they do you now the medicine forget the name, collect the injection.
But they just brought it from a kind of is that not a kind of beer?
What than a kind of beer? You need all this hot drink to be strong. All of them goes into you.
No, but I cannot take this. So I can't take this. Haba. I can't take Haba now. I can't take this.
International nurse boss.
Yes.
Please come and hold this man for me. Only be here. I don't understand.
Okay, you just walk out.
If you touch me, I'll slap into next tomorrow. If you touch me, yeah.
Sir, you are in our hospital, oh. You are in our hospital, oh.
What?
Hold on.
Come on.
Turn your
Come with this now.
Took on my behalf.
If I slap. How close to me now? Hospital. I cannot do anything.
You cannot do anything.
I cannot do anything. Hospital. What you come? What hospital? You see? Come on, hold you. Come on, hold your
Arise.